In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Apple ID. This process adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. With the prevalence of online threats today, securing your personal information is crucial. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This app is represented by a gear icon and is usually found on your home screen. Tapping it will take you into a world of personalization options for your device. The Settings app is essential because it houses all the controls you need for your device's functionality and security settings. Once you are in the Settings app, you will see various options to customize your device. Next, tap your name at the top of the screen. This action takes you to your Apple ID settings where you can manage your account details, subscriptions, and security settings. Your Apple ID is the gateway to all Apple services, and ensuring it is secure is vital. By tapping your name, you are accessing the core settings that protect your account, making it easier to manage your security features. This is an important step as it lays the groundwork for enabling two-factor authentication. From there, tap on Sign In and Security. This section allows you to handle all aspects of your account's security settings. Here, you can view your devices, manage your passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. It is crucial to ensure that your account is secure before proceeding with any changes. You will see a variety of options regarding your account and security, which helps reinforce the security of your online activities. Now, tap on Turn on Two-Factor Authentication. This option initiates the process of adding an extra layer of security to your Apple ID. When you enable two-factor authentication, you will need both your password and a verification code for sign-ins on new devices. This step is important because it significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access to your account. You will be prompted with information about what enabling this feature entails, so take a moment to read through it. After that, follow the on-screen instructions. These prompts will guide you through the setup process step by step. It is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to understand even if you are not tech-savvy. You will appreciate how straightforward the process is as it ensures that your account is better protected. Following these instructions carefully is essential to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Next, you will need to enter and verify or add a trusted phone number. This number can receive text messages or phone calls, as Apple will use it to send verification codes. When you sign in on a new device, you will need this code alongside your Apple ID password. Having a trusted number is critical because it is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Make sure this number is one you can easily access. Once you input your number, Apple may send a verification code to confirm it. With two-factor authentication enabled, signing in on a new device will require both your Apple ID password and a 6-digit verification code. This extra step greatly enhances your account's security. Apple notes that most accounts already use two-factor authentication by default, contributing to a safer environment for Apple users. This final step ensures that you have a robust security measure in place, reinforcing the safety of your personal data. By following these steps, you can now enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your Apple ID is secure. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.